Every breath you take carries invisible particles. You can't see them, but they may be already be harming the people you love most. We are Team Aura, passionate innovators who believe NASA's Tempo satellite data shouldn't just sit in databases. It should save lives.
That's why we took on the NASA Space Apps Talent 2025. From Earth data to action, cloud computing with Earth observation data for predicting cleaner, safer skies. We are building a platform to make the best use of NASA's data, helping people make safer, healthier decisions with real-time satellite insights. Meet our team leader, MD Abu Bakkar, full-stack developer and video editor, building tools that turn NASA's Earth data into simple, actionable solution. And Fahmida Akhtar, our research specialist and designer, ensuring every insight is backed by science and presented clearly for users. Together we blend science and technology to make NASA's Tempo mission data truly actionable, turning complex space data into everyday health decisions. Air pollution kills 7 million people every year. 1 in 8 children in North America suffers from asthma, and in the United States alone, pollution-related illnesses cost more than $150 billion annually. But behind these statistics are real families. Maya in Los Angeles checks her phone each morning before sending her 5-year-old to school. Sarah in New York wonders if it's safe to take her elderly father for a walk. David in Toronto questions if today's cycling will trigger another asthma attack. NASA's Tempo mission is groundbreaking, the first instrument to monitor pollution hourly across North America. When combined with GEOS CF models GFS, weather forecast, and EPA year-now ground sensor, we have an unprecedented view of Earth's atmosphere. Yes, right now the data is too complex. There's no real-time integration, no predictive forecasting, no personalized health guidance. And without translation, the data cannot save lives. We built Safer Skies, the first platform that turns NASA's Tempo and global data into personalized air quality guidance. For North America, we fuse Tempo, GEOS CF AirNow, Oki, and NASA Farms Fire Alerts. For the rest of the world, we combine GEOS CF with NOAA, GFS, and Open Meteor forecasts. Our system stores real-time and historical data in MySQL, forecasts condition days ahead, and delivers smart alerts when air turns dangerous. Here, key features included a day planner with a 5-day forecast to plan safe outdoor hours. Why today? AI that explains in simple terms why today's air is good or bad. Wind, humidity, inversion, and more. Trend charts for past patterns, and fire and smoke detection with risk zones. All of this runs on a scalable cloud system powered by AWS, bringing raw satellite data to clear health insights in real time. Our platform empowers doctors, patients, and communities to track environmental triggers, preventing health crises before they occur. But we don't stop there. We champion environmental justice, making sure NASA's advanced data benefits everyone, not just a privileged few. We are transforming public health from reactive treatment to proactive, predictive care. Our scalable cloud-native platform begins in North America with a vision to expand globally, so no family is left unprotected. We will measure our impact by forecast accuracy and reliability, timely alerts delivered to users, adoption and engagement across communities, broader awareness of air quality risks, and smarter, healthier choices made every day. Imagine a world where no child misses school from preventable asthma, where every family breathes without fear, and where clean air is not a privilege but a promise. We're Team Aura, breathing science into clear skies.